In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. So, first of all, you'll need to check your card information. As an example, go and open your ChatGPT. Then make sure that you're logged in into your account and go to your profile at the bottom left. Once you click on it, make sure to click on settings and you will find yourself here. So, the first thing that we would like to do is go to this left panel and click on billing. Once you click on billing here, so I just switched to another account that I have. And as you can see from this billing, since the other account I don't have any card inside there, you'll have to check your payment information that you entered. Make sure that your card number is correct, expiration dates and everything. You can click on it, as an example, click on edit to see all the information from there. And you can add many payments methods if you want to keep one as a backup if one doesn't work. Of course, keep in mind, even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. Also, one of the other things that you can check is basically your balance in the bank. Make sure that your card has enough money available for the payment. Your bank may also block the payment even if when you have enough money. This can happen because of security rules or restrictions on online, recurring, or international payments. If everything looks correct but ChatGPT still says that the payment was declined, you'll have to contact your bank and ask whether they are blocking the transaction. OpenAI says it normally doesn't receive the exact reason a blank, or as an example, a bank card is declined. So your bank may be able to give you some information on that. And of course, other than that, your bank may also ask you to approve payments using a 3D secure or another security check. For that, you'll need to go and open your phone or wherever you're going to receive a code, because you'll have to enter a code sent to your phone and approve the payment in your banking app. Just make sure to do not close or refresh the payment page while completing this step. Wait until you finish the step completely. If the verification screen isn't appearing, OpenAI recommends allowing pop-ups and redirects to, and of course, temporarily disable things that may block the verification page, such as any pop-up or, as an example, VPN that you have or anything else. You might even have a pop-up blocker. And one of the things that may work for you is basically try your browser again. Sometimes the browser itself can cause problems with the checkout, so you can go and open an incognito mode as an example, or just go and try another browser. If you're using Brave, make sure to go and use Google Chrome instead, or any other browser that you have. So as a last two resorts, you can just check your country and card. Another possible reason is your location. OpenAI requires, example, both your location and the country where your card was issued to be supported. If your card comes from a supported region, the payments may fail. And of course, you will have lastly to try another payments method. If your bank is not working, try to pay with another option. And as a last resort, if none of those works, you can try to contact OpenAI support. If you checked everything and the payment still fails, contact OpenAI support through Help Center, and you can do that through the bottom left again. Click on your account and click on Help, and here you can click on Help Center. They'll take you here. As an example, you can either open a chat and get help or ask for support, or look at an example where you can get help with that specifically. So just explain that your ChatGPT payment is being denied or declined and mention the troubleshooting steps that you've already tried so they can help you get to the problem. So that's how you fix a declined or failed ChatGPT payment. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.